Question and answer solution of previous year for the subject Civil Engineering SEM 5 Paper Code CEPC 502. Subject name Engineering Hydrology. 1. An area is classified as a drought-prone area if the probability P of occurrence of a drought is answer 0.2 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 0.4. 2. What is thermohygrographs? Answer. A thermohygrograph is an automatic recording instrument that simultaneously records air temperature, thermo, and relative humidity, hygro, on a continuous chart over time. 3. The variance of rainfall between 2 seconds in isohydral method is assumed as answer. Linear. 4. The annual potential evaporation for a major part of our country lies in the range of answer. 140 to 180 centimeters. V. In the radioactive isotope method, the velocity is measured by measuring radioactivity on downstream at a distance of kilometers. Answer. 1 to 100 kilometers. This range depends on river size, about 1 kilometer for small mountain streams and up to 100 kilometers for large plain rivers, as required to achieve complete mixing of the tracer. 6. What is base flow? Answer. Base flow is the portion of stream flow that is sustained between rainfall events, supplied mainly by groundwater seepage and delayed subsurface flow into the river channel. 7. The 6R unit hydrograph of catchment is in the form of triangle with peak of 100 cubic meters per second occurring at 24 hours from the start, and the base is 72 hours. The area of the catchment represented by this unit hydrograph is answer. 6R unit hydrograph, shape, triangle. Peak discharge, QP, equals 100 cubic meters per second. QP equals 100 cubic meters per second. Base duration equals 72 hours. 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meter of effective rainfall. Step 1. Compute volume under triangular UHV equals 1/2 times base times QP. Convert hours to seconds. 72 hours equals 72 times 3600 equals 259,200 seconds. V equals 1/2 times 259,200 times 100. V equals 12.96 times 10 to the 6th meters cubed. Step 2. Convert volume to catchment area. For 1 centimeter rainfall, V equals 0.01 times A times 10 to the 6th. 0.01 A times 10 to the 6th equals 12.96 times 10 to the 6th. A equals 1296 square kilometers. Final answer 1296 square kilometers. 8. The probability of a flood equal to or greater than 50 years flood occurring at least once in next 50 years is answer. For a 50-year flood, return period T equals 50 years. Annual probability P equals 1 over T equals 1 over 50. Probability that it does not occur in a given year 1 minus P equals 50 to the 49th power. Probability that it does not occur for 50 years 50 to the 49th power to the power of 50. Probability that it occurs at least once in 50 years P equals 1 minus 50 to the power of 49, 50, approximately 1 minus 0.364. Approximately 0.636. Final answer 0.636, approximately 63.6%. 9. What is the use of Kirpich's equation? Answer. Kirpich's equation is used to determine the time of concentration, Tc, of a small catchment. It gives the time taken for runoff from the most distant point in the watershed to reach the outlet. X. The stage-discharge relationship in a river during the passage of a liquid wave is measured. If QR equals discharge at a stage when the water surface was rising, and QF equals discharge at the same stage when the water surface was falling. Write the relation between QF and QR. Answer. During the passage of a flood wave, for the same stage, QF less than QR. That is, QF less than QRQ. The Indian Meteorological Department has changed over from Siemens gauge to fiberglass rain gauges of two sizes. The collector areas of these gauges are square centimeters and square centimeters. Answer. From Engineering Hydrology by K. Subramanya. The Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, fiberglass rain gauges have collector areas of 200 square centimeters and 100 square centimeters. During a flood, the water surface at a seconder was found to decrease at a rate of 10 centimeters per hour. The slope of the river is 1/3600. Assuming the velocity of the flood wave as 2 meters per second, comment on the actual dispect. Answer. All of water surface equals 10 centimeters per hour equals 0.10 meters per hour. River slope equals 1/3600. Flood wave celerity equals 2 meters per second. First convert the water surface fall to slope. Slope due to fall equals 1/0.10 equals 3600 seconds over 0.10 equals 2.78 times 10 to the negative fifth. Riverbed slope. S0 equals 1/3600 equals 2.78 times 10 to the negative fourth. Since the water surface is falling, its slope is less than the bed slope. SF equals S0 minus 2.78 times 10 to the negative fifth. This indicates the actual discharge during the flood is less than the normal discharge for the same stage.